Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop seeing low quality videos on your Facebook app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Facebook app. After that, tap on the menu bar and then tap on the gear icon beside the search bar. In here, scroll down and under preferences you can find out newsfeed. Tap on here. Once you have done this, you will find out this, and then at the bottom you can find out reduce option. Tap on here, and after that at the top you guys can find out low quality content. Tap on here, and then you can find out three options here. If you just tap on reduce more, then for your confirmation you will find this. If you tap on OK, then you will stop seeing low quality contents on your feeds. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.